हम लोगों को समझ सको तो, हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना फिर तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना फिर तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल।
Good evening, everybody. It's wonderful to be here. Thank you. It easily is one of the nicest experiences of my life. हमारी country, हमारा India, हमारा देश, हमारा हिंदुस्तान, and we are, can be the most proud in the world because of the roots where we come from.
चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है। चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है।
I cannot take myself too seriously. I cannot think that the millions are looking at me and they are looking up to me. I'm not someone to be on a pedestal. I'm not someone who should be taken as a role model. I'm not someone who can pass value judgment just by virtue of being where I am. I am someone who's just supposed to come and dance and sing and make everyone happy.
Superstar Shah Rukh Khan and Juhi Chawla.
फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
कितने एड्स कर लिए तुमने? वो फिल्में ज्यादा हुई हैं, एड्स ज्यादा हुई?
Abhi, right now the Guinness Book of World Records working on it to find out.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you. But I have some amazing memories of television, but what I have memories of is the fact that I believe that an actor can act anywhere. And as all the critics say, I still haven't changed my style of acting. I still do the same thing. And then people even told me when I came, I remember my first producer telling me, ki, isko hero mat banao, his hair is like a bear. He told me, this was GP Sippy Saab, he used to always say, your hair is like a bear. And then a lot of people said, I speak too fast.
हम ऐसे भी हैं, हम हैं वैसे भी।
And it's time now, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome our next guest, the dreamy partner of Dreams Unlimited. Right, Shah Rukh?
I'm the best, I'm the best, you are the best, I'm the best.
Okay, you heard that song, Juhi, I'm the best, I'm the best. तुम्हें क्या लगता है ये किसके लिए बजाया गया? तुम्हारे लिए या शाहरुख के लिए? आप बताइए।
No, it was for Juhi only. I think it's we only play the song for Juhi.
आपको बुरा नहीं लगा?
बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं लगा. I'm a big fat liar. As a matter of fact, at times my wife tells me that you being upfront and your sense of humor, a lot of people don't understand. So please shut up.
Every time that we've done a friendly scene in this film, Shah Rukh and I have fought behind the scenes. You know, we've agreed to disagree in this film.
Or we were hating each other. There were times when I wanted to break her nose. Juhi may direct the next film. I'm sorry.
That was
Sorry. ये मेरे मुंह से निकल गया.
So now everybody is waiting with bated breath to know which is your favorite scene. So would you please tell them?
Juhi, just say the first line of the scene. I'll tell you, this is the favorite scene, my favorite scene in the film.
Okay. अजय, तुम ये 2 दिन पुराना केला खाओगे?
2 दिन से तो मैं इसे ढूंढ रहा हूँ. कुमार तो बहुत पहले था. तुम खाओगी?
एक पर्सनल बात पूछूं?
तुम आदमी हो या बंदर?
तुमको क्या पसंद है?
The last line is really my favorite. Is when he says कि मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ उन्हें बचाने, और अगर मैं मुड़ के देखूं तो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगे कि मैं अकेला हूँ. And then he says, just please, please, please.
समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी. अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी. फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
You know, people have a misconception that I'm very confident. It's not that. The logic is, I have nothing to lose. You know,
Aren't you scared?
No, you have nothing to lose. You're scared. Now I'm scared. I'm one of the biggest stars. Now I have everything to lose. Now I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm not as blunt as I used to be. Now I bend. Now I'm, it makes me sad, but that's the way it is.
The aspect that I'm playing in the film is, I guess, the Islamic or the Muslim point of view, where the whole point of the film is that it's not about Hindus and Muslims. The country is not about fighting between Hindus and Muslims, because we have been coexisting for years together, and what this film propagates is brotherhood and peace between the two communities. I'm greatly honored, and thank everyone who voted for me from the bottom of my heart, and the other 39% people. What the hell were you guys doing?
Yes, I am greedy. I am ambitious.
When you say greedy, what do you mean?
I think, you know, I have read somewhere, and I believe that if you let go of greed, you might as well stop living. But people assume that greed is only for money or material stuff. But there's greed for everything. I have greed for life. I think I have very little time on this earth, because I have seen too many things which I thought were permanent go just like this. The good things go like this, the bad things go like this. They just go. And I want to push in as much as I can in that. That is the greed. Because when I go to God, I'm a great believer in Allah and God. When I go to God and He asks me, listen, I sent you to earth and I want to know what all did you do. I want to answer Him back and say, ask me what I did not do. That'll be easier.
I would just like to take this opportunity to first of all thank our guest of honor, Rekha ji. And it's so nice of her to come down and bless us for the release of the music of this film, which is marvelous. Thank you so much. We all thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And we'll go ahead with releasing the cassette, and we'll ask Rekha ji to please do the honors. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Then I started doing completely out and out, really nice family guy, boy next door kind of stuff.
Wow, you're swinging in all directions.
Yeah, I got a little bored with killing people.
No. You have a temple with your name on it?
I may have one or two, but South Indian
ever
actors?
visit it?
No, I've not. But like if you go down south and you see the South actors were really, really
Give me
huge.
some of that. Thank you. You actually have to do this film?
Yeah, they would set up a system and they would say you do it. Now, I may not have succumbed to it, but then they shoot you. So sometimes it's nicer to do a film.
You mean somebody seriously calls you and says you have to be in one of my films?
Yes,
or I blow your head off?
Yeah.
So they must be back in the film to say, I want you in my film.
They do try to back a film.
Right.
They try to create a product. They'll have 4 or 5 of their guys here, and they'll say, okay, Shah Rukh, you have to do this film, or X hero, you have to do this film, X heroine, you have to do this film. And I say, well, who's the producer? He said, okay, this is the guy we're sending you. Talk to him, sign the film. So if you're scared for life, then you sign it. Or if you're ready to take your chances, you say no.